Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use quiet mode on Instagram, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to activate it, what it's about, and how to deactivate it if you ever want to turn it off. Okay, so quiet mode is about selecting the time when you don't want Instagram notifications to appear on your device. Okay, so to access it, you need to open up the Instagram app. You tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and you come up here to these three lines. Tap settings and privacy. Next, you're going to select time spent. So you tap here, and today I've spent 16 minutes on Instagram. I normally don't even use Instagram, but anyways, you can see the option over here, quiet mode. So you tap it, and if you activate it, you get to choose the days when you don't want like Instagram notifications, and you're also going to select the time range where you don't want all those notifications. So let's say you don't want notifications from, let's say, 6 a.m. So go for 6 a.m. to maybe 6 p.m. Alright, so right now all the days are selected, but let's say you only don't want all these notifications on Sundays, so you can uncheck all of them. The ones that are blue, like this one is blue, so that means it has been selected. Let's say you also don't want notifications on Saturdays from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. so you can select this one as well. And now you won't be able to get notifications on Saturdays and Sundays from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now Instagram has made a restriction that you can only do this for up to 12 hours. So you can't go from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. because that will be 13 hours. If it ever gets to that level, then what you can do is completely turn notifications off on Instagram. And to do that, well, it depends on the phone you use, but I'm going to show you how to do that later on. So for now, this is how you activate quiet mode. And if you wish to deactivate it, you just turn this one off. And you tap turn off quiet mode. So if you want to stop notifications completely from Instagram, what you can do is head over to your phone settings, tapping this settings icon over here, and then next you scroll till you get to apps. So this is mine. I'll just tap apps, and then I'll tap manage apps. Then I'm going to search for Instagram, and I'll select it, and I'll scroll till I get to notifications. So if I tap it, this option that says show notifications, it means that Instagram can receive notifications. What you need to do is just deactivate it, and from here on, no notification whatsoever from Instagram will be shown on your device. So you constantly have to go into the app to see if you have any new notifications. And if you ever forget to turn it back on, then you may miss a lot of notifications. So if you do this, just keep it at the back of your mind that you may have to come back to enable it again. So yeah, that's how you completely turn off notifications on Instagram. Alright, so if you found the video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care, and bye bye.